me nothing. They can't tell me nothing. Alright guys, so today is gonna be my first wash and go ever. I don't know how this gonna turn out, but we gonna try it and see. I try to stay away from wash and goes only because my hair shrink up so bad. Like, I got a feeling this is probably how it's gonna look once I'm done. And like, I have a pretty, you know, decent length, but I don't know. So we gonna roll with it and see how this goes. All right, so I'll be only using 3 products. I'm going to be using this coconut and hibiscus curling style milk by Shea Moisture. And I'll be using grapeseed oil. I chose this because it's light, it's not too heavyweight. And I will be using the Eco Styler black castor and flaxseed oil. I don't too much care for this, but I've heard some good things from people using it for their wash and go, so I'm gonna try to see how it goes. Grapeseed oil. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in and add the gel. Like, I have never done a wash and go, y'all. I am so nervous. Like, I don't know. Oh y'all, look at them curls though. Wow. Oh my God. Y'all, this might work. Look at this. I don't know though. I ain't gonna get my hopes up already, but make sure I get all back there. Then I'm gonna just go in and rake my fingers through each section. Now this might work. I'm actually really liking it so far. That's that. Alright, so this is the back. See that? So I just finished putting the gel everywhere. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just lay my edges now because I want it to dry the way I'm going to wear it. Alright guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and do some house chores, go run a couple of errands, and I will come back to you in a couple of hours to show you guys how it came out once it dried and how much it shrunk up. As you can see, it's already like starting to shrink. And I'm pretty sure once it's dry, it's going to get even shorter. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so what I did was went on ahead and banded my hair. Like I just took some rubber bands and just kind of, it's called the banding method, I guess. I would usually do this to what's the word I'm looking for? What's the word I'm looking for? Oh my god. To I guess prep my hair for the next day. I can't think of the word I'm looking for. Anyway, so this was usually what I would do for my hair overnight. But I decided to go ahead and do it because my hair was shrinking up, like it was literally to my scalp. Like it was looking like this, and maybe the front came to about right here, but it was just looking, it was not cute at all. My hair is not all the way dried yet, but I'm gonna just take these out just to see what I have so far. So guess once so yeah, like this is looking a lot better already, because my hair was just like stuck to my head, y'all. After all, y'all, I was getting kind of scared. Like I really wish I would have showed y'all what it was looking like before I put these rubber bands on it, but I'm just like this cannot be for real right now. Like this, my hair not supposed to look like this. So oh shoot. So yeah, I got one more to take out. Alright, so yeah, I can work with this, y'all. Like I'm happy. Like man, this wash and go is like bomb, okay? And as y'all can see, the white stuff that y'all seen earlier did dry, but like look at this, y'all. Like oh shoot, I'm just making a mess. So yeah, I'm gonna just fluff it out a little more. Like I really thought this was gonna be a fail, but I'm digging this, y'all. Like I'm loving y'all, I love my hair. Like I've never done a wash and go. But yeah, y'all, so this is it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want me to try any other styles, leave your comments below in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh shit, I'm still recording.